This is ERC. This is great.
Winter clothes.
Winter clothes. Yeah. So this is coming from Qatar, from Doha.
Yeah.
Essential Aid getting in. Thank you, Doha. This is great to see.
Every participant.
This is great to see. It's a big international effort now. Here we go, ERC.
Egyptian
Here we go again.
Kuwait and Kuwait.
Yes.
Thank you. Egyptian Red Crescent, Pakistan as well, again. So you work very closely with Pakistan. Egyptian Red Crescent, you guys are doing well today.
Egyptian ERC.
Shukran.
Egyptian ERC.
Blanket by Zoe. Blanket and the clothes.
Yeah, really good. I'm so happy to see this.
Me too, by Zoe. It's
This
very
is what we
are very
this is what we do. شكرا. Thank you. شكرا
مساعد
حبيبي.
الامين العام للامم المتحده للشؤون الانسانيه جاي بيشكر.
Waiting here for a whole month trying to get it.
And now today اليوم
اليوم إن شاء الله نعم.
إن شاء الله هذا شغل مهم. شغل مهم.
دخلت قبل كده يا حاج؟
Hopefully we have some more good days, some good weeks, some good months, because we've got to get that aid. We've got to get the aid
And we can
moving
meet
in.
with the.
It's amazing.
السلام عليكم يا شباب.
السلام عليكم شباب أهلا.
السيد مساعد الامين العام للامم المتحده جاي بيشكركم على المجهود الكبير اللي انتم بتعملوه.
شكرا. أهلا. أهلا.
اهلا وسهلا.
شكرا شباب.
حياك.
شغل مهم. شغل مهم.
رفعين راسنا دايما.
شكرا جزيلا. شكرا جزيلا.
Thanks for the support. Almost 250 trucks that are carrying food ready to go in at the moment.
250.
250
Here.
food on
Here.
wheels here. Yeah.
Trucks are moving now, and this is, I think, quite an emotional moment for all of us, actually, who've been working for this moment for months now. We've been begging to get this access, begging to get the trucks moving at scale. Our WFP colleagues here, they've got 250 trucks of food back there ready to go in. You can see the Egyptian Red Crescent have just gone in. We've just watched 20 of their trucks go through. And we know how to do this. We know how to shift aid at massive scale. And when the politics align, we can save hundreds of thousands of lives. And this is happening. This is real right now. And I want to thank everyone who has been such a key part of this effort. Those who worked so hard for the peace agreement, President Trump and his team, the leaders of the region who got this ceasefire in place, all of the humanitarians who've done so much to prepare to get these convoys moving. And I want Palestinians on the other side of the gate to know that we're coming, and we're coming in force, we're coming at scale. We see you, we hear you, you've waited too long, but the trucks are moving.
Regardless of this, we are paying a lot.
Yeah. So Egyptian Red Crescent, but where's the...
Yeah, it's packed.
It's on the side. Well, this is the side where it has the content. This truck, if it goes in tomorrow for scanning, that means it's going to be in Gaza at the platform. Kerem Shalom or Kisufim. The teams inside Gaza, like the great heroes we have here, would be on the other side to make sure that they're able to load them back on the new trucks that are inside Gaza and take them through different routes into the warehouses or into distribution points straight.